I wanted to address the notion of rhythm in healing. And it's been now well documented that rhythm and sound really helps in healing processes. So where can we find rhythm in Bowen therapy? Certainly when we do the hammer toe moves, we can do it methodically. We can try to be precise, but if you are rhythmic overall, you're going to have a better impact. So you really want to do the move in a consistent rhythmic manner. Same when we're doing the upper respiratory. You really want to do the cervical lymph by rhythmically going down until you get to the TMJ. So that rhythm helps people heal and allows them to relax deeply.